In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your Apple Watch SE3. You will need to do this using an iPhone, the iPhone that is connected to your Apple Watch. This is mine over here, and you need to find the Watch app. If you don't find it, simply go all the way towards the right side on your iPhone, tap on App Library and type Watch. Launch this. Usually by default, it's looking like this. Go all the way down. And over here, you're going to see installed on Apple Watch. These are the apps that are currently installed on the Apple Watch. And over here, you're going to see available apps, and you may see a few of them. Certain iPhone apps are also compatible with the Apple Watch. And if they are compatible and they have an Apple Watch version, you'll see it over here and you'll be able to tap install and it will get installed on your Apple Watch, because these are apps that I have on my iPhone. Now, if you want to go on the App Store and download apps made for the Apple Watch, you can also do this. So you're going to go on the App Store on your iPhone, and you're going to go and tap on apps down below. And then on the top, you're going to scroll until you see Apple Watch apps. Tap on this. You can browse. They're through different categories, as you see. And once you want one, you simply have, let's say I want this one. I'll press get. And by the way, while this is installing, if we go back on the Apple Watch app on your phone, and if you go in general, here you're going to see automatic app install. It means every time you download an app for your iPhone, if it has an Apple Watch app as well, it will install it automatically on your watch without you having to do anything. So you just need to turn this on if you want every time you get an app for the iPhone to install it as well on the watch if it has a version. So the download finished on my iPhone. The app got installed on my iPhone, but also the Apple Watch version. So if I tap on the crown, I'll be able to find the app that just got installed. Here we go. It's this one, as you see. To delete an app on the Apple Watch, if you tap on the crown over here, let's say I don't want that one that I just downloaded, keep press on it. Whoops, sorry, I already do it. Keep press on it and then tap the small X. I know it's very small. You can select delete app and the app is gone. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.